Hello, my name is Kimberly Hobson, and I'm here to discuss with you today your open position for practice administrator at Baylor Family Medicine. I have been working in the medical field since I was 18 years old. That gives me about 11 years in the medical field. For the last 5 years, I have worked at Baylor Family Medicine at Fort Worth, and recently in October, I was promoted to clerical supervisor at my office. I am responsible for the responsibilities and duties of all clerical staff within the clinic, and I assist the office manager with any responsibilities due to workflow in our clinic. What do I know about the company? Well, being a part of the company the last 5 years, we've learned a lot of things. I know that Baylor is made up of 49,000 professionals committed to making healthcare better. We are a rather large system in the DFW and Waco area. We also are a faith-based organization that welcomes and values all types of people. What do I consider my strengths and why? So in the last 5 years, I have been committed to giving my maximum effort in every task that is assigned to me. I believe that my efforts show that I can accomplish any task assigned to me. I have been the go-to for my clinic for the past 5 years in completing tasks correctly, timely, and creatively. Why should we hire you? My passion for patients and employees is at the front of my work. I give everyone the same respect and dignity in hopes that it is returned, and it shows that I have a passion that coincides with the vision of Baylor. My knowledge of operations of medical clinics is also a great asset to you guys. I have been the second man for my manager for quite some time now, and I have learned the ins and outs of all types of operations that are needed for a medical clinic such as yours. In conclusion, I want to thank you for your time in interviewing me today. I would be a great asset to Baylor for my passion and vision. Our visions coincide very well, so I believe that I would come in and fit right in to supervise these employees. I would manage them all with respect and dignity, and I really would like to be a part of these Baylor system, managing multiple employees for the clinic. Can I please have this position? I have been looking for this for quite some time, and I can start as soon as Monday. If you'd like to put me on this schedule, I can come in and show you what I'm all about. Again, I appreciate you, and I look forward to speaking with you again soon. Thank you.